Your Kia just got even more slick and comfortable with FH Group's made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your Kia Forte. Engineered with soft and stretchy water-resistant neoprene, these custom-fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The rear covers are designed to accommodate the split bench seats, and the innovative design makes installation easy, allowing for the use of all your vehicle's seat controls. The front has a bonus center console cover for added comfort, and the back side of the bucket seats are equipped with handy slip pockets to safely store personal items. Offered in a variety of colors, these rugged covers are long-lasting, impeccably constructed with thick foam padding, and offer special stitching that allows for airbag deployment. Protect the full value of your Kia Forte with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.